How to create logo in Chatgpt. Write this prompt, adjust it according to your requirement. I am writing business name, Sync Tech. Here you need to write the industry, software. Here we need to select the style. I am going with minimal. If you have any colors preference, you can write it here. If not, you can simply write suggest best. The logo should be clean, scalable and professional. Remove this. Avoid generic or overused design. Click it here. As you can see here, this is the logo. You can simply download it from here. Click it here. As you can see, logo has been downloaded. Open it. So you can see ChatGPT has generated a logo. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.